Yes, this is our logo right now. The page has opened, and it's displaying our logo right here. And as I told you, you can also activate show both, whereby it shows both the logo and the text, the header text. We can also view and see what it looks like. You can view and see what it looks like. Right here we have the header text, and I also have my logo. I'm going to leave it like this. I want to have my logo right there, and also have my header text, and also have my tagline. Okay, from here we'll be moving into how to create our menu. But there's something I want you to really understand, that without post or without page, you cannot have a menu. That simply means that you can only have a menu when you have a page already published, or you have a post already published. So I'll be taking you through how to make a post and also how to make a page. Okay, first of all, I would like to start with making a page. All you have to do is to check for pages. That's on your dashboard menu. You have pages, and right there you click add new, because we have not really created any page at all. The page that came with it, as you saw, sample page, is the default page that came with the theme. So right here I'm going to click on add new. Wow. And on add new, I'm going to add home. I want to use the home as my landing page, and I'll be telling you something about the landing page after this section. I'll be telling you something about the landing page. So the page I'm creating right now is home. Then I publish. I want to create more pages. I want to create another page called my blog, and right here I'm going to put my blog as the name of the page. Now this page called my blog is basically for my post. That simply means that I want everything I'm going to be posting to go directly into my blog. And whoever opens my blog is going to find all that I'll be making as posts, or all I'll be posting. Now I can update if there's any changes at all. Now let me tell you something that is very important. Just because you have created a home page and also you have created a page for your post does not mean that automatically the home is going to be your home page, mind you. And my blog will also be your post page. You can use anything as your home page. You can use anything as your blog, whatever thing you want to use. But what really determines what becomes your post page or your home page is the settings, which I'll be taking you through, and for you to understand it better. Thank you. Okay, let me create more pages. I'll be creating more pages such as courses, about us, and contact us. Okay, and now on my home page I have nothing written on my home page. On my blog I have nothing written on my blog, because I'm going to be doing something on those two later on. But on about us, I can actually type right here whatever thing I want to say about the website which I'm developing right now. So apart from that, I would like you to understand very well this toolbar toggle gives you a kind of drop down of paragraph, that is styles in which you can use. And right here you have colors, different colors for your text. Right here you have justify, just the way you have it on MS Word. If you understand your MS Word very well, then you should understand all these symbols very well. Well, later on I'll be talking about how to insert or edit link, and how to remove link, and also how to insert read more. And all other things will be explained as we continue. So right here, let me just say something little about this website. Okay, so right here on about us, this is the information I have to give to the people. And I said this website is developed for the purpose of distance learning on web development. It is free for all. We are into web development, web design, graphic design, branding, and lots more in IT. So you can actually have a preview of what you've just created. Wow, and in the preview, you can see what I have right here. I have About Us and the content which I have in About Us. And apart from that, you can see all the pages which I've created. About Us, Contact Us, Courses, Home page, My Blog, Sample page. What do you observe? You observe that the menu is arranged in alphabetical order. But I'm telling you that you can arrange the menu just based on what you want. You can make Home come first, then followed by My Blog, followed by Courses, followed by About Us, followed by Contact Us. There is no rule that says that it must be arranged in alphabetical order. This is just the default settings of our WordPress. Then when the view is okay and it's very good, for me it's not very okay, then I can actually change this from ash down to black. You can see the difference. Oh, sharper than before. Then I can update and I'm okay with this. Okay, let me refresh this and see how sharper it's going to look. Wow, on refresh you can see this appears better than before. Okay, the next thing we're going to be talking on right now is how to make your slider. But do you know that you cannot make your slider when you have not actually specified what will be your landing page? Now, for you to specify what will be your landing page, we can go back to Customize. Then on Customize, let's go back to the menu which we have earlier on. And right there, where you have static front page, you can click on static front page and you decide what you really want to use for your static front page. When you say the static front page, you are trying to talk about that is your landing page and also your post page. Those are the things you are talking about. That is, they remain just the way you've set them, and that is what appears to individual whenever they visit your website. So creating our static page, I click on that, and right here I have front page. For the front page, I'm gonna use the home. Right here is not showing home because I have not refreshed this so that it can actually have a link to what I have edited or created newly. Okay, so on refresh, this is what I have right here. Wow, all the pages have now appeared. I click on home for my front page, then I click on my blog for my post. And the reason why I click on my blog, that simply means that you can select whatever thing you want to use for your front page. That is, your front page is a landing page, and you can select anything you want for your blog. Your blog is where you have your post. All posts that will be made will actually appear on the blog. Then right here I can save and publish. I can save and publish. Mind you, earlier on our default page, that's our default landing page, was the sample page. But right now that I've been able to set it, by the time I refresh this, you are going to see that our landing page is home, and that is why it's highlighted as green. That is the active page. Anyone that has been highlighted is the active page. So right here, our home page is our landing page. Now we can go further into creating slider. Now that we have been able to make the home page as our landing page, we can go further into creating our slider. Thank you.